My name is Laverne, and I got my kitchen from the German Kitchen Center in New York City. My designer is Javier Marizalde, and it was an absolute pleasure working with him because he was able to take my ideas and make them a reality, changing a very traditional space into something more contemporary that was what I was really looking for. What I love most about my kitchen is that it is totally unique. I've never seen anyone with a kitchen similar to mine, and that was what I was looking for, and that's why I chose Javier to do my design. My favorite feature in the kitchen is the fact that the cabinets are all soft close and they're arranged in such a practical manner that it's set up perfectly for a kitchen. It has spaces for me to put all of my uh, canned goods, all of my pantry items. And because it's on a wall that actually had a feature that I was trying to hide, no one even knows that my ductwork is behind part of the panels for the cabinets. And they are the easiest cabinets to clean and yet give me a look of a wood grain and still keep that Euro kitchen look. If you're thinking about getting a new kitchen, I would definitely recommend Javier of the German Kitchen Center because he's able to translate ideas into reality, something that you can actually see. And he is very responsive to any of the questions that you have. He provided us with samples. He came down from New York to where I live in Maryland and actually did the measuring. He made the appointment to speak with my architect personally, and every little detail he actually was able to execute it in just the way that I wanted it to be. And so you will definitely never be disappointed. He's very responsive, and that comes with a very high recommendation for me.